My offers. Hello, everyone. This is Baker. Hello, all my friends. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, everyone. Today, December 16th, 2024, the very ending weeks for 2024. Monday, December the 16th is a little bit cold in Dongguan city. Now, presently, temperature about 16 Celsius degree. 16 Celsius degree, Monday. Okay, December the 16th, Monday. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. And this machine, today, I'll take half hour introducing our camless spring forming machine. And this one at site, this is our assembly area. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, firstly, let me introduce brief of our company and me. This is me. This is Baker, export sales manager. Export sales manager. This is, and we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. In the middle, between the mega city Shenzhen, Guangzhou, in the middle of Shenzhen to Guangzhou. So our factory is almost the same to Shenzhen Airport to Guangzhou Airport. Both of them within 70 minutes, 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou Airport to Shenzhen Airport. Okay, and our factory 53 kilometers to the Canton Fair complex, to the Canton Fair halls. We are spring machine manufacturer, and our factory mass producing the spring machine as spring cleaning machine, spring forming machine. Also, we have some tailor-made special solution, special know-how to provide solution for conveyor belt, for chocolate coating chain, for pipe, clip, bending machine, for thread insert making machine, tailed thread insert making machine, or wire straightening machine. Okay, this is, you can find more videos, on my YouTube, okay, more videos, more sampling for regular, for special, for general, for typical, okay, and my WhatsApp, my WeChat, you can add my WhatsApp, my WeChat. I'm an export sales manager. We are machine manufacturer, spring machine manufacturer, founded 2005 in Dongguan City, South China, close to Hong Kong, to Shenzhen, to Guangzhou. Okay, all that are close within here to the Guangzhou International Airport, within 75 kilometers, within 70 minutes. And the GuangJin spring machine, GSM. So our machine manufactures the spring, various type of springs, oil seal spring, leg time, leg teeth, conveyor belt, spiral mesh, thread, tailed thread insert making machine. Okay, and our machine, we are export. Our machine have reached the countries and the regions over 35 countries and regions, over 35. And this machine now running up, ending of the running up. And tomorrow morning, we'll start the sampling. You can see at ready now, the wire decoil. The wire is put on the disc, and the wire feeding, the straightening, and the wire feeding rods to be put on, guiding plate put on, then the manger insert, put on the tool holder, put on the heat pad, insert the manger, then put on the coiling finger. We'll go sampling tomorrow morning. Sampling and the client training in the same time. Sampling, client come to our site for the training in the same time. Training and sampling in the same time. Training will take about, it's a foreigner from Russian language country. It will training take this time, scheduled training 5 days. So to be ending this Saturday training. Product for the purpose mass producing the conveyor belt. For example, like this 2.5 millimeter stainless steel as length as according to the clients make us like 40, 60, 80, 1 meter, 1.5 meter, 2 meter. So its distance, length, according to the requires, according to the demanding of client. This is this machine made it the single piece conveyor belt, piece by piece, in one stop. The single piece, in one stop. No need additional procession, no need additional equipment to make it one stop, then waved piece by piece, then extended meter by meter. This one. Okay, this is our camless 11 axis. A spinner here, the spinner here. Usually the spinner insert 6 o'clock or 3 o'clock according to the personal habit of engineer. And this is the control system. English, Chinese, or according to the client come from different country or different region. Or South America, we do a lot of deal. Provide the screen info sit in Spanish or in East Europe, Mid, North Asia, in Russian, Spanish, Russian, English, Chinese, okay, can be customized. You can see presently X1 for X8, X1 for X8. We call it camless because every handle driving at rear servo motor driven by directly is now running up stage for warm up, for running empty. Just to showcase how it's running. The running up divided into 4 stages. The first stage turning as rotate. But now for the semi-half of the warm-up, just the running semicircle from the highest side, lowest side to the highest side. Then the tools hold on here to push to move to the forming side. This here is the forming side, manual forming side. Then the wire goes out to bending it. Wire goes out, bending it in different directions in one moment or in a period of time, bending in one moment or bending in a period of time to make the wire turning into a special shape continuously or at one moment. So this is the how it's working. It's semicircle, four high wind sliding package. And this is the sensor. This is the sensor to detect. To set is the home point. Set is the 0 point. The 0 point. Okay, moved as a semicircle is enough. It's also turning. During its walking, just running semicircle to avoid, to find a better, to avoid, to save the space during its walking is necessary. So it's with turning semicircle, 180 degree. So this one, work panel, control system, and the chassis. The chassis are electric parts. I'll show you how the chassis and the rear of the work panel. The rear of the work panel and the chassis. You can see on the work panel a lot of servers to driving every handle directly. Also in the mid, a small one to control, to rotate the manger. And this is the wire feeding gearbox. 3 pair feeding rods, and this here's a server, bigger server driving the wire feeding this. Okay, and at the chassis, at the painted, the chassis for the electric parts as every axis, as a lot of axis, everyone with one server. Control system mainboard, air switch, power supply, transformer, and the cables wire lineup. Okay, and also the wire collecting conduct, and the side with 4 probe paired with connect to your workshop air pumping system. 4 probe provided. Okay, and this is the rear view of the camless with spinner, 11 axes as total, no wire rotary. Here's you can see 3 pairs feeding rods, gear transmitted, wire feeding box. Okay, this is the semi products for this camless. This one we called it model GJ40. This model GJ45G, GJ45X, 11 axis, feeding wire range 0.8 max to 4 millimeter for hard type carbon steel, stainless steel, 4 millimeter as max. This one, and this machine, the weight, the net weight for this machine, almost very close to 1.5 metric ton, and the wire decoil max loadable, 300 kilogram, automatic, controlled by the main machine system directly. So this is the whole machine. During its working, need a space about 4 meters from rear to front, and the wide 3 meters. Okay, save us 3 meters, and for a space, here's the one. Okay, this is the camless. In this series, we have a small one, max 4, 2.5 millimeter, and the smallest one, max 4, 2 millimeter only. Okay, this is the biggest camless no wire rotary. model GJ45X, feeding wire length 0.8 to 4 millimeter. It's 11 presently 11 axes. If it can also update it to 14 axes as a model, 14 axes as max. Okay. This once again, we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan. Provide you the wire forming machine and the wire and the spring coiling machine or spring forming machine, can type or camless. For our spring coiling machine, 6 models available. For the wire 0.2 max to 6 millimeter for spring coiling machine. This one, this is the small one, max to 2.5 millimeter. Model GJ25X 2.5 millimeter. Meanwhile, in this page, some of the camless spring forming machine as number 1. We also just mentioned model GJ25X max for 2.3 max for 2.5 millimeter, 45X 4 millimeter, 40R camless with wire rotary, and the GJ80R max for 8 millimeter. On the table, some of them made by this machine. Okay, firstly, let me introduce the machine, the products made by this machine. This one, special shape, compression and pull spring, and the torsion spring, the spiral wire mesh, constant force spring, spiral spring. This one used in cars seat self-belt mechanism. Also widely used in tape measure, in clock, in the mechanical watch. Constant force spring. Tape measure. Every tape measure have this one. And this is the one current using the very one come to sampling and using for the mass production conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain, chocolate enlobing. This and as well some of our other machines for the wire bending products for special, also the flat conveyor belt, flat honeycomb, horseshoe conveyor belt, and for wire bending in my hand, 6 millimeter stainless steel flat or cubic, 2 dimension or 3 dimension, 2D or 3D. This plastic pipe clamp hanger. Wire bending products, coiling this period by coiling finger and this period by the spinner, and anti-vibration, like using in the sports, high jump matches, high jump pad, high jump cushion, anti-vibration. Wire bending, using this one, carbon steel 5 millimeter, using in barbecue, outdoor barbecue. and the plastic pipe clamp. The one, this is the one 156 millimeter outer diameter, 3 millimeter stainless steel. By our machine, output rate 15 to 20 pieces per minute. The extension, Pro Spring. The wire forming products, wire bending, wire forming products. This, as Christmas is already coming soon, we do our machine customized for like this wire bending products, as make it bigger or with the letters in shape letters to using as outdoor night LED lighting decoration frame. LED lighting decoration for the holidays, for the frame, for the chases. Wire bending, artifact. This is the regular compression spring, just typical as here. And the wire bending products, the fishing article, and this camless wire rotary spring forming machine, or spring forming machine with wire rotary, 4 millimeter to 10 millimeter, leg time, leg teeth, agriculture purpose, using in straw baler, in harvester straw baler, in the hay cracking machine. As well, we have the one show you typical or special. This is the one, 1.5 millimeter. We can make it according to the client's different requirements, as short as 40 centimeter, 1 meter, 1.5 meter, 2 meter, 2.5 meter. And the wire, this one for client come to our factory, this client using this machine mass producing the conveyor belt and coming for the training very soon. Tomorrow training will be started training for the conveyor belt. Okay, this is camless wire bending, camless spring forming machine, 0.8 to 4 millimeter, 11 axis. Control system at Kuchi and the server Sion Denki, Japan. The work panel, the chassis, the wire decoil, the control system. So, and the rear view. Rear view is okay. Finally, I will take the camera move closer for all of you to see the details. Okay, to see the detail, to make it closer. This, the wire decoil, max load 300 kilogram, and the rear view for the wire guiding, straightening, feeding rods, gearbox, and the servo motor driving the wire feeding, and gearbox 3 pair of feeding rods. So this is just a space, this by the gear to find a better position, because there's no space to install this. So we move by the gear chance here to driving the manger for 3 pair of feeding rods, and you can see every slide, every handle driving by servo motor directly. And here's Sion Denki. Okay, and turning around. This is the servo motor driving the wire feeding system. The gears transmitted the gearbox driving wire feeding, and the control system. Okay, show you turning around. And here's running up for semicircle. Running up for semicircle. Okay, just the semicircle, 180 degrees. This is the sensor to set the 0 side. You can see, okay, did you find the detector and the sensor? We set a 0 side, just need, during it's working, just need move 180 degrees. Did you find this? Okay, you find this? And here's the slider, 4-pair package, high wind slide package. And the moving distance 15 centimeter. The manger, here's the manger, insert the manger. So this running up empty to move it, to make sure to remove the tiny bricks or tiny dirt. And the control system, here's control system, Alukuchi, English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian is the most popular among our ever sold. For the conveyor belt, we developed successful since year 2012. So over the 12 years, we had sold machine current using for mass producing conveyor belt chocolate coating over 32 countries and regions. Okay, this is the wheel and the spinner. You can see this is the spinner, right? Yeah, the spinner. And the control system, the spinner, and tomorrow morning, sampling and the training will started. We also have the cam type 1, this cam type 1. And this one, camless, also with one spinner at 3 o'clock. This one coming for the dispatch very soonest. This is for France, client from France. English control system. This one, model GJ25X max for 2.5 millimeter wire. And the wire decoil max load 200 kilogram. So sampling completed for this machine. Camless 11 axes. And this is our site, assembly area. We will go running, get the order, start the machine installing, then running up, then put on the tools, sampling, training. After training, we will get it packed as export non-solid wood or domestic package level. Then go dispatch. And the foreign clients usually will take training at our site 3 to 6 days or max to 9 days. Okay, once again, I'll show you that let's get a recap. We are spring machine manufacturer. And this is our camless 11 axis model GJ45X. Once again, Okay, let me recap the key points. We are spring machine manufacturer, middle size, and I'm an export sales manager, Mr. Baker. I'm a Baker Liu. What you can contact me and add my WhatsApp WeChat or send me your sample pictures from different angles, different direction. Show me the clear picture, show me the sample clear pictures, or send me your drawing. We will choose according to our professionalism to give you a suggestion, give us some 2 or 3 models for your selection, or give our best solution for you to compare your budget, compare your tasks to according to your tasks, according to your budget level. Okay, we will. You can send me your drawing or sample pictures. For more videos, you can also visit my Facebook, my YouTube. This is also number 5 as my YouTube site. We are GSM, GuangJin Spring Machine in Dongguan, South China. We are manufacturer, spring machine manufacturer. Okay. Okay, see you.